welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a tutorial about the essential equipment for beginning bakers. So this is for anyone interested in baking in general. So let's get started.
I should probably say at first that this is not an exhaustive list, and there are hundreds of kitchen gadgets. But as a general rule, you can get away without them, and I consider that most things non-essential. These are the things I consider that you absolutely need to be able to make the most baking recipes. Nice to haves are not listed. If there's anything you consider essential that's not on the list, please put it in the comments below. First off, measuring cups. These are to measure your ingredients in order to make your recipes. There are various different kinds of measuring cups, but you should be able to measure a cup, as well as a half, a third, and a quarter cup. Now this is for those interested in making recipes that call for cups. There is an alternative that would make measuring cups a nice to have instead of essential. And that is a kitchen scale. For those more interested in making recipes calling for grams, this is an essential. So I consider one of the two absolutely essential, either measuring cups or a kitchen scale, depending on your recipes and culture. Whether you use measuring cups or a kitchen scale, you will still need measuring spoons. These should include a tablespoon, a teaspoon, half a teaspoon, and a quarter teaspoon ideally. A large mixing bowl. You can't get around it. You will need at very least one large mixing bowl. A couple different sizes would come in helpful as well. And if you want to make recipes that use a double boiler, you're going to want at least one metal or glass bowl. A whisk. There are lots of recipes that require ingredients to be whisked together. Absolutely essential. A large, sturdy spoon. Some people swear that wooden spoons make the batter taste better, but in my experience it doesn't make much difference if it's wooden, plastic, or metal, so long as it's large and sturdy so you can mix your batters together. A rubber spatula. The reason this is helpful is that a rubber spatula can scrape all the straight pieces of the ingredient stuck to the sides of the bowl. This will ensure that your batter is well mixed and will allow you to use all the batter you mix because the spatula can scrape it all out of the bowl, hence why I consider it essential. A rolling pin. You will need this to roll out some kinds of cookies or pie crust or several other things. An electric mixer. A stand mixer is definitely not necessary, but everyone needs an electric hand mixer. There are lots of things you will need to whip up quickly, like whipped cream or egg whites, or even creaming butter is much easier with a mixer. Definitely essential. Potholders, also called hot pads, absolutely essential to keep you from burning yourself. Now let's talk baking pans. Most people who bake a lot have quite a collection of various different baking pans, but there are a couple that I use so often that I consider them essential. First, a 13 by 9 inch casserole pan, also known as a quarter sheet pan. Extremely versatile. You can make cake, bread rolls, casseroles, brownies, crumbles, cobblers, lots of other things. A standard bread pan. If you want to make bread or anything similar, then you'll want a bread pan. I will also mention here that you will definitely need a flat cookie sheet or sheet pan. I forgot to take a picture of one, but if you ever make cookies, you will definitely need one. A round baking pan. You can make pies or cakes or tarts in a pan like this. Very versatile. But there are dozens more to choose from. Feel free to expand your collection of baking pans as you go and discover pans that you want. This is just to begin with. I hope this list helps you to prepare to start your baking journey. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more tutorials.